Welcome to the OwnerGo overview for property managers and board members. OwnerGo is the innovative web solution which allows your owners and residents to collaborate. It is also used to automate data collection from homeowners and give everyone better visibility of what is going on. In this video, I'll be sharing some features your community will enjoy when using the OwnerGo website. Let's get started. After logging into your account, you'll see the community dashboard, which includes action items requiring attention from the various sections of the site. Keep in mind that information you have access to on the site is very different than other residents who have a restricted view. In scrolling down the page, you'll see the lease approval section, which allows you to view and approve leases that are submitted by homeowners. This approval can be done by the property manager or board member. However, it is needed to ensure that homeowners' leases comply with the rules of the association. When homeowners register with the site, you'll need to approve or reject the registration on this screen. When a new homeowner's registration is approved, the previous owner's access is automatically revoked from the system. If set up, you can view the unit's property record by clicking the View link. Below that, you will see the Open Work Order section of the site, which allows you to view things that require attention or are actively being worked on in the community. You'll also get to see the Access Control section, which allows you to update the access control system or call box. OwnerGo can be used so that homeowners can configure their own call box entry, and staff can use OwnerGo to configure the access control system. While you can manually download the files from the website, you can also set up an automated script with some systems that allow changes to be automatically applied. The dashboard also shows board member votes which are pending, hardship requests, and architectural requests requiring approval. As you explore various sections of the site, you'll see more detailed information. On the left is a navigation menu, which has colorful red flags showing you new items which have appeared in each section of OwnerGo since you last logged in. Under the Resident menu, you'll see the Lease List showing the units which are actively leasing their units, as well as homeowners who are on the wait list waiting for authorization. OwnerGo automatically manages these lease lists based on the parameters specified in your community documents. The Work Order section allows you to search for work orders that either residents or employees enter in the system. You can track each work order by allowing people to collaborate, adding pictures or other progress information to the ticket. Need to manage reservations for certain amenities on your property? You can set up the amenity reservation tool to allow residents to make reservations and also provide them with usage fee and security deposit instructions. The communication section keeps track of all mass communications, either email or via the postal service. These communications can be sent to various groups of people in the community. For emails, you'll see read receipts for each recipient, along with the timestamp it was read and when it was sent to them. For postal service messages, you can also track their status, depending on the level of postal tracking you selected. You can pick from a variety of sizes of postcards, along with standard letter-size mailings with clearly defined prices for sending out those mailings. Email addresses and postal addresses are all maintained by the homeowners themselves, so all you have to do is compose a letter and hit send. OwnerGo does the rest. OwnerGo allows residents to submit architectural requests via the site, which the board will be able to view, vote, and then approve the request. If the request is rejected, the homeowner is notified along with the board's response on potential changes which would grant a future approval. If you need to send violations to the homeowner or group of homeowners, you can use the Violations tool to easily notify the homeowner and track the resolution of the issue. Warnings can be turned into fines, and any violation can be closed or revoked if the problem is resolved. Do you have a security guard responsible for towing vehicles on your property? Have them use the Parking Incidents log, which allows the board and property manager to track parking incidents which occur on the property. Besides being able to view past incidents based on tag number, employees can look up the vehicle in the homeowner vehicle database based on the tag number or parking spot number. On the report screen, there are a variety of reports that can be run on OwnerGo, which allow you to view the website's information in spreadsheet format. Another audit tool is the Resident Audit screen, which allows you to see lists of homeowners in certain categories, like amenity restriction or legal rentals. You can also view a list of new homeowners and new leases, and see all managers and employees on the screen as well. The last tool in the Residence section is the Search tool, which allows you to find homeowners based on a number of search criteria such as parking spot or storage unit. You can also search for homeowners by typing a unit number or name into the search bar at the top of the screen. Next, under the Community Forum section, you'll see the Community Information page, which is useful for listing important phone numbers and contact information for the community. Managers can create multiple tabs, which you can use to display a variety of information for your residents. Next, the Community Forum allows residents to collaborate in the community on various topics. The board can set up specific forums for different categories, such as vendor recommendations or babysitting. The Board Announcement Forum is a special forum which contains a copy of all the important announcements sent to the community. In looking at each message, you will see the owner's thumbnail, if they have one, and the name and unit information for each posted message. The board can control how much information is visible on the forum. For example, you can set up the site to only show the homeowner's first name. Both homeowners and their tenants have access to this forum, and tenant access is automatically maintained based on the leases that homeowners enter. Next, the Calendar section is useful to show community events. To create a new event, click the New Event button. Then enter a title, place, and time, as well as some details about the event. Only managers can create events. Now your new event is visible for the entire community. The My Information menu contains information for the homeowner about their unit and their lease. But as a manager, you also see website settings and other OwnerGo administrative functions in this menu. In viewing your profile, you'll see all your community-related information on one screen. You can also edit your own information or change your password on this screen. The voting screen allows you to review past votes as well as initiate new votes. Once a majority has been reached on a vote, all managers are sent an email notifying them of the board decision. Want to change a setting on the website? Visit the Admin Website Settings section. This section allows you to configure the website and upload new homeowner information. This is where you set up your community when you're first using OwnerGo. For example, if you want to upload a spreadsheet with all your current owners, visit the Current Owners tab, download the spreadsheet template, add your homeowner information to the spreadsheet, then use the Choose File button and Upload Owner Spreadsheet button to load all this information into OwnerGo. There are several tabs to review before turning on the website for community use. When you are done configuring everything, visit the Settings tab to select Turn on 7 a.m. processing of the leasing list. This will effectively turn on the website for homeowner and resident use. The next morning, all the residents with email addresses will be sent a username and password. Any other homeowner who does not have an email address entered in the site will need to register at ownergo.com. Next, I want to show you the website landing page section. This is where you can set up an internet presence for your community. To set up a landing page, you will need to visit each section, adding pictures of your community and writing various captions for the different areas. When you are done, click the Preview button at the bottom. This will allow you to see how your landing page will work. Any community using a landing page will get a custom branded login for their community, as well as getting a custom URL that will appear at the bottom of each of their emails. Now, going back to the landing page area, when you're ready to publish, enter your preferred URL for your community at the bottom. Pick something short that people can remember. Then click Publish. Note that the landing page feature costs a monthly fee, which is visible in the Publish section. Regarding community fees, while the base website is free, your community might want to take advantage of the extra services we provide, such as the custom landing page feature. Visit the Community Bill Services section to review each of these services we provide. You will have the opportunity to review all the services as well as having links to configure each of these services. Below that, you will see a summary of what the community is being charged on a monthly basis for all the services of the site. At the bottom, you can review the detailed billing information. Finally, I want to go over the Resources tab. This area is configured in the Admin Settings section that I went over earlier and features custom links and documents for your community which the board or property managers can set up. This is the area where owners can download covenants and other documentation or find helpful links such as the property management website or city services website. Additionally, there are dedicated sections for your vendors and managers. In these sections, you can easily integrate file sharing websites such as Google Drive or Box. At the bottom, you'll see the Meeting Minutes section, which is a custom OwnerGo module which allows the board to enter all the minutes for every meeting. While homeowners will only see the official version of each of the minutes, the board and property manager can see past revisions, and the website can be used to edit minutes and compose new minutes. Have questions? Check out the 2 help sections we have written for you. All homeowners have access to the Homeowner Help section, which is useful for managers to read. I would also suggest reviewing the Manager Help section to become more familiar with OwnerGo. Still have more questions? You can contact support using the Contact Support section at the bottom of the Manager Help area. Need to log out? You can access that in the User menu at the top of the site. I hope you've enjoyed this summary of the OwnerGo website for managers. While I haven't gone over every feature, you should have a better understanding of the functionality OwnerGo can provide your community. Thanks for watching.